Dear students, in this video, we will see that what are the context of the design school, in which situation the design school should be implemented, and what are the contributions of the design school in the field of strategic management. So, in the first slide, we will see that context of the design school. What should be the context, which means what should be the context in which the design school can be implemented, can be used. So, number one is the assumption is one brain can handle all of the information relevant to the strategy. As we have already discussed this thing, that only CEOs and managers are involved in the formal procedure and the systematic procedure of the design school while making the strategy. So it assumes that all of the information is processed by only one brain. Only one person is there who will process all the information to make the strategy. So this is the first assumption. This is the first context in which the design school is based, that the one brain can handle all of the information. The second is that brain is able to have full, detailed, intimate knowledge of the situation in question. It means that not only that brain can process all of the set of information he or she has, but also he or she is able to process all of the information and knowledge and according to the situation in question. So that person should be having that kind of knowledge or holistic knowledge. We can say the holistic kind of knowledge in which he or she will be able to implement that knowledge in every situation, or at least the situation in question. Third point is the relevant knowledge must be established before the intended strategy has to be implemented. It means that by establishment of this knowledge means that the knowledge is at least predictable, which means that knowledge which a person is holding is not prone to change. If he has certain kind of information available in accordance to the organization and its situation in question, then that information or the knowledge is not going to be changed over the period. So it is relatively predictable and stable. And the fourth point is the organization in question must be prepared to cope with the centrally articulated strategy. There is no resistance, there is no change inside the organization. Implementators will be implementing the strategy as planned, and there will be no kind of change or no kind of resistance from the employees of the organization, and they will be ready to cope with the centrally articulated strategy. So this is the context for those kind of organizations. If any organization is falling in this context, then that organization can follow the design school for the strategy formulation. The contribution of the design school, it provides us the important vocabulary, because by vocabulary we mean that it provides us different kind of information. For example, the systematic processing, all kind of information for one brain, and that processing and that connection with the CEOs and the situation, and the CEO with the implementators. So this provides us the important vocabulary. As I have already told you that this design school was not intended for the particular kind of strategy making. This is a prescriptive school, which means how the strategy should be formulated. So it provides us the baseline for next upcoming schools of thought. And also it provides us the idea of fit between external opportunity and internal capability. It means that it tells us that there are some external opportunities available, and there are some internal capabilities inside the organization. And if we create a fit between these two things, these two opportunities and capabilities, and this is, by the way, possible with the help of the CEO. So then the external opportunities and capabilities, when they are created and when they are fitted with each other, they can be used as a design school. So this actually provides us the idea that a fit can be created between the external opportunities and internal capabilities.